what you doing, buddy? I think he's teething a little bit. He's keeping his finger in his mouth.
Oh, that was fun. Uh-oh, Justin. Monkey see, monkey do.
Donna, you want to slide?
Go, Justin. Go, go, go.
Is Cody here?
Yeah, Douglas has him inside. Mackenzie's trying to help him. Justin, go. Mackenzie's like, this is how you do it. That's so funny. She's trying, but he's just a little too big for her.
Did you wake him up? He slept for 3 hours.
Woo!
I woke him up at 7 this morning. To make sure he would have a nap.
Oops, sorry. That's...
She was trying to help first. Tommy, get in this pool with them. It's like a big bathtub.
There goes Kenzie.
Flung it down the side. Yeah, you want to slide?
Justin. Like, this thing is slippery. Woo!
You want to go down the slide?
Mackenzie's good at it.
Go ahead. Is this safe? We're going to go down the slide? Yeah.
No, 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 no. Put it back. It's broke.
It broke. It broke. It doesn't do anything. It just kind of lays there.